So now I'm going to be showing you how to use a V-Ray emissive material. So I'll do a simple render for now and show us what our lighting looks like as is. You'll see that the light itself does not emit any kind of light from it. It's only the spotlight that you'll see on the surfaces, not necessarily the light source itself. So that's what we're going to be doing today. To show this as an example, I'm going to make a simple sphere. And then we want to go to Asset Editor and create a new emissive material. And this will give us a material that emits light. So change the intensity to 2, and then we'll apply it to this material. Now when I start up a render, you'll see that the ball itself is emitting light, and the material itself is a light emission. So now we're going to select our emissive material layer, and we're going to create the sphere again, and then place them into the lights. As we applied, so we're going to find our emissive material and make sure that is applied to the emissive material layer. We'll just change to perspective view for this, and we're going to place this into our light fixture. As some light fixtures you download will already come with emissive material in it, but for this case we're just going to create our own. You can use the command ZSA to center the camera. This helps a lot with these small adjustments. There you go, so our material is now placed here. And we can go ahead and use the top view and a wireframe to reset these, quite similar to how we did the IES lights in the last tutorial. So I'll just go ahead and place all my emissive materials onto these. Placed on these top lights, go ahead and do the same thing to place them along here, along the cylinder lights. When you place the object, it will already be set to the emissive material as we are working under the emissive layer. Alright, so now we've set our emissive material. We'll set it to our view and see what it looks like. Something that can sometimes happen is you'll put the emissive material and it's now blocking the IES lights. So to prevent this from happening, we want to select our IES lights. We can do this in the Asset Editor. We're going to right click, select objects in the scene. We're able to zoom in and then click and drag it so that it comes just below the emissive material, and now it is no longer being blocked by our material. Because of the angle, you can't quite see it. You can see it on some of these cylinder lights here, but our emissive material is showing. I won't show on the top lights. You can see it slightly on this one because of the angle of them. There you go, there's our emissive material showing on the lights.